Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark we are making no-sew pillows. Now this is for all of you who don't like to sew or don't have a sewing machine, and it's a pillow project that you can put together with E6000 Fabri-Fuse. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some no-sew pillows. E6000 Fabri-Fuse is perfect for all of your no-sew projects, so make sure to pick up a bottle. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.